5 years. This evening I brought this 5 kind of ornamental plants, and I could not resist myself, and I planted it, and just few minutes back I have planted the 5 variety. I will show you very closely the pattern and structure of ornamental plants. You can plant it outdoor or indoor, and it just looks very beautiful, and it gives a feast for your eye every day, and you will get mental peace if you plant the ornamental plant. See the structure and the symmetric patterns in leaves, and it is so beautiful. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please share it, and you can subscribe my channel, which will encourage me to post this kind of videos in future. Thank you. Now I am going to plant some ornamental plants. Just I brought from Boiparigoda. See how nice color plants. These are the plants, ornamental plants, indoor or outdoor. In both places you can keep it. Now I am going to share about the details of planting method. This is the sand, this is the vermicompost, natural organic cow dung manure, and this is garden soil. I will share about the mixing ratio of garden soil and this organic manure, cow dung manure, and sand. Because if you don't mix properly, then there will be problem of root decomposition. For mixing this organic manure and garden soil and sand, you may take 5 parts of soil, then 4 parts of this organic manure, and 3 parts of sand, and mix it well, so that your pot mixing naturally you can prepare at home, and you can plant any ornamental plant in the gamla or flower base. While planting any plant in pot or the gamla, you have to give importance how to ensure water drainage. So at the bottom you can make holes with the hot iron rod, and put some, these are the coconut fibers, so you can put some coconut fiber at the bottom of the pot, and over it you can put sand, so there will be proper water drainage system. So these are the things you have to take care while planting any plant, and later you can put the pot mixing and then you can plant it. The mix you can put there and fill the gamla properly. Not fill it completely, you have to keep some space top of the gamla so that there will be space for water remaining for some time, otherwise there will be overflow. This way you can plant the ornamental plants. Okay. One important thing you have to do every time after planting, you have to give water so that it will help develop roots and ensure the survival of any plant. So anytime any plant must give water, and in rainy season you should not give more water because the root will decompose. So best thing, when you feel the topsoil is low, then only you have to give water. Okay. After planting any plant, you have to spray at the root area the mix chloropyrifos liquid, so that there will be protection from root decomposition and any termite bite. To make the liquid, you have to add 2 ml of ytviral in 1 liter of water, and you can spray top of it and at the bottom, so there won't be any root decomposition. Okay.